Hey everyone, I'm back with another share. This is another page from my Diana Markham recipe book. You guys are probably getting tired of this, but anyway, I'm going to continue showing them. So I use this die. This is the Waffle Flower A2 Lacy something. A2 Lacy Layers is what it's called, and I used the largest die out of this set right here to cut my stamp out. Die cut my stamp out. I also used this Grand Nestabilities die from Spellbinders. This is the third in the Nestability set. This is an old set, so I don't know if these are still available. I think they still have these for some reason, but I do have a large number of those. I used my Barbecue collection from Doodlebug, and this paper is Primary Plaid, and then on the back it's got the little chicken legs and corn, but I used this front piece of paper. And then I used the Coordinating Icon sheet from the same collection, and I used little ants from the sticker sheet. I think that's all I had. Oh wait, I also used this punch. This is a Stampin' Up! Punch. This is an old retired one, but this one usually goes for a lot on eBay. I don't know why, but I have found this for $1 at the yard sale. Crafty yard sale. I did Copic color my image, but I'm not going to show you the colors I used. I think that was in my last video that I posted on some shares. So on my last page. So here's the image. I shared this image in that last video, but I hadn't put it into a page for my recipe book. So you can see this is actually in the salads section of my book. The fruit salad recipe is right in front of it. That one was released from Adorn It. This recipe, however, is a retired stamp from Diana Markham and Stamp Passions. So I don't know what year this was done. I'm going to say it was probably somewhere 1998, 99 or something like that. So this is the apple salad recipe stamp. And I colored this with my Copics. I did do some touch up after I had shared it with my blender, just to go through and blend it out a little bit. So this is the die cut paper using that lacy layers die from Waffle Flower, and then this is the die cut Spellbinders die with the plaid, and I used the little ants from the sticker sheet because I just thought they were cute. As I said, I'm trying not to make these two-dimensional because I don't want it to take up all the space in the book too quickly, since I'm going to be adding more pages. But that's a salad recipe that I finished now, that I have. And on the back, I created another pocket using some, folds and some tape, double-sided tape. And here's another one of those recipe cards from Paper Tray Ink that I added the tab to. So I just had some of the, what do you call this? The scrap piece that I punched out and just added it to the little recipe card here. And again, this is for if you want to alter your recipe and you just want to make some notes on it. You can do that and then stick it in the pocket. The other thing that this is good for is if you make the recipe, you can take a photo of the recipe and put it in the pocket behind it. So that's the other nice thing about having the pocket. So that is my recent share or coloring share of my book. I am hoping to do, I have some other recipes that I've already stamped out, so I'm not sure what I'll pick next. Because I want to play with some other things, and this takes consumes a lot of my thought. So I think my book is looking good so far. I hope you guys are enjoying my shares. Hopefully I will get a chance to do a little bit more in the book in the coming few days. So I've got four. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 recipes in here now that are colored up, that is. And I've got quite a few stamped out that I want to put in here. So if you're interested, again, there is a playlist on my channel. Every time I add a new video, I put it in the playlist. You can kind of see this is where I'm at right now in terms of the size of the book, which is about, if I hold it to my grid line, it's about 1 inch now, 1 inch wide. So I'm not sure how many, well, these rings are supposed to be 1 3/4 diameter. So I'm expecting the book can still grow another maybe half an inch or something like that. So I still have quite a few pages, of course, that I want to put in here. So I need to work on that, of course. And I'm glad you guys are enjoying these videos. It seems like you are. And I need to take some pictures so I can post them on Instagram. I always forget to do that. So sometimes I post them there first, and sometimes I post them here first. But I need to take photos of this. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.